Antolini selects the best quarries in the world. About 30 are owned or directly managed by the company. This helps to keep its product range new and exclusive. With their experience, Antolini experts are also able to identify the best stone blocks, each classified based on aesthetical and structural characteristics. With extensive research and development, Antolini has been able to devise and patent processes that can generate solutions for natural stones. One such process is the Antolini vacuum process. Antolini vacuum process, or AVP, is a revolutionary process for the natural stone sector. Through the use of advanced vacuum technologies, AVP is able to strengthen the entire thickness of the stone slab with high-quality resins that are exclusively made for Antolini. This process will make it easier to work with rare, unique materials irrespective of the structure and composition. An example for such material is the quartzite marble. Antolini can be applied in many different sectors such as residential, retail, hospitality, spas, and wellness centers. As with all natural stones, Antolini can be used for walls, floors, countertops, landscapes, and other customizations. At Hafary, you will be able to see marble, granite, quartzite, and onyx in a spectrum of colors that are uncommon to find. You will also find precious stones such as amethyst and agate. These stones, particularly the translucent varieties, can be lit up from behind to create unique color effects. Antolini book match slabs are a highlight too. And at Hafary, we show how they can be arranged to achieve different and exciting design outcomes.